Morning. Today's Monday, April 8th. I hope everyone had a nice weekend. I know we had beautiful weather down here in the low country. I was actually lower than the current low country. I was down in Bluffton this weekend visiting my in laws. I think they had a good time with Gabriel. I got to go out and play golf for the first time in 4 months. That was a blast. Thank you, Barb, for putting up with the disaster that was my golf game. I think we had a good time though. A couple housekeeping things. Keep an eye out for emails from us this week. We're going to continue to follow up on spring review action items. If you haven't heard from us yet, it's likely because you didn't have anything tax deadline sensitive. We are 1 week from the tax deadline, so trying to get those last IRA or Roth IRA contributions pulled in for tax year 2023. Last week we had a manufacturing data report and a jobs report. Manufacturing data was solid earlier in the week. Friday, that jobs report came out and it was stronger than expected. And as markets like to do, we get good economic data and markets go down. That happens way more frequently than you would think. But treasury yields were higher, given that the markets, if you look at the kind of probability of it, it dropped 10%. It dropped from, I believe, 59 to 48, 11%. That there's going to be a rate cut in June. So markets thinking as long as the job market stays as strong as it is, the Fed doesn't really have a reason to cut rates, and they won't. So with that jobs report coming out last Friday, yields were up. Market was down over the course of the week about 1%. So we will keep an eye on the data coming out this week. We have CPI and PPI, so consumer and producer, I believe, indexes that are releasing data on Wednesday and Thursday, respectively. So we'll keep a look at that. Outside of that, one fun thing for everybody, so we can stop talking about markets. We're going to be sending out probably later this week, maybe early next week, our little Memorial Day event over at James Island County Park that we did last spring. Hope you'll be able to make it. We're going to have some wood-fired pizza again. So hopefully kids, grandkids are able to come along and a nice little day outside before the weather gets too toasty in Charleston. But question, comments, concerns, do not hesitate to reach out, and we'll be in touch. I'm soon sure here with some spring action items. So thanks and have a good week.